In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with ClickUp. Before we jump in, here's the big picture. Clockify is a time tracking tool and ClickUp is your work management hub. Connecting them lets you start timers right from tasks and keep your time data aligned with your projects. Make sure you're signed into the correct ClickUp workspace and that you have permission to install apps. If you're not an admin, you may need someone on your team to approve the install. Start inside ClickUp and head to the overview area of the workspace or project you want to connect. This is a good moment to double check you're in the right workspace, especially if you belong to multiple ones. The integration will apply to the workspace you're currently viewing. Next, open the Tools menu. Look for the grid icon with 9 dots, sometimes labeled More. This button opens the App and Integrations hub. If you don't see it right away, expand your sidebar or hover near the navigation bar. ClickUp can collapse icons to keep things tidy. Inside that menu, use the search field to find the Apps section. Typing apps is the quickest way to jump there. If you see apps listed without searching, you can click it directly. The goal is to land in ClickUp's app directory where all integrations live. Once you're in the app directory, use the search bar and type Clockify. You should see the Clockify integration appear in the results. Click it to open the details page. Here, you can review what the integration does and what permissions it needs. Typically, Clockify will request access to task details so it can attach timers and capture time logs associated with your work. Click Install. Follow any prompts that appear, such as selecting the workspace and authorizing the connection. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization window can open. The install usually takes just a few moments, and when it's done, you'll see options to manage or open the integration. After installation, refresh ClickUp so the new controls appear. You should begin seeing Clockify options on tasks, like a timer button. If you don't, verify you're still in the same workspace you installed it to. Also, make sure you're logged into your Clockify account in the same browser so the timer can connect correctly. That's it. Clockify is now integrated with ClickUp. If anything doesn't look right, confirm your permissions, reload the page and try again. Thanks for watching and enjoy tracking time directly from your tasks.